For more on this, let's bring in Bas Kooijman. He's CEO and asset manager at DHF Capital SA. Welcome back to the programme, Bas. Firstly, why are tech giants like Google suddenly turning to nuclear energy to power their AI goals?
Yeah, it's a real strategic response to AI's explosive growth. We see AI data centers could consume over 900 terawatt hours globally by 2030. And as you mentioned, renewables cannot meet this 24/7 demand. The nuclear energy gives a very reliable base stream of energy, and it can cost a company millions if the energy power to an AI data center is disrupted.
Right, and with data centers, as we said, consuming massive amounts of electricity, can nuclear power provide that stability that solar and wind can't so far?
Yes, nuclear runs at about a 92% capacity factor, where solar is only 25% and wind is 35%. Therefore, it's absolutely necessary to have such a stable and more reliable source of energy for AI data centers. Also, it's very costly to have solar and wind because they need storage, and storage is very costly to make sure that it's a continuous stream of power.
So how does Google's latest deal with NextEra Energy fit into its broader push for clean and reliable energy?
Yeah, the clean part is another very important topic here. They are going for non-carbon, and they have commitments to this by 2030, 2035. So the 25-year plan to restart the Duane Arnold plant in Iowa is adding 600 megawatts to their network. It's their fourth deal. The Kairos power plant for 500 megawatts is already signed before, starting in 2030. And it just supports their goal to have this carbon-free energy across all their operations.
And as the AI boom accelerates, could the tech industry now become the biggest driver of a new nuclear energy renaissance?
If we want to meet AI's demand, it will require about 34 new US nuclear power plants in the next 5 years. Very big tech companies have already committed about $10 billion to do this. Amazon, Meta, Microsoft. They all want to restart old SMRs and make sure that that nuclear demand for the data centers is met. We already see a lot of VC funding as well, about $2.5 billion into nuclear startups just this year. And we can see like a triple amount of global nuclear capacity by 2050. So we do see that AI is really forcing this challenge, but creating a clean and secure grid worldwide.
Bas Kooijman, CEO and asset manager at DHF Capital, thank you very much for your insights.